Yeah. Well, like I said, this is a big shipment that I would not like not to hold. If they decide to take
You don't even know if you're taking it, right?
Yeah.
Why don't you just identify it as a tank, condensate tank, and then decide, okay, we take it or we don't.
Yeah. No, we don't know this form of stuff. We're definitely going to quote it.
Then the other,
Yeah, the elevators, the theater. We're probably going to take one elevator, so if we one like that.
Wait till they review this. We'll feel like we're falling out of our chairs as they go up.
He said we'll definitely take the precipitators out there too. You know, that's now we know that there's all of them.
Dozen of those. Well, dozen cones.
What else do we have out there? Do we have a commercial up there?